Hello, hello, my beloved waking gods and goddesses. Welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty. Do it yourself, spiritual awakening for divine in the flesh, where together we learn how to surf, hack, and navigate the ups and downs of the totality of human experience, creating a new earth beyond the limitations of this perception and managed reality matrix of five senses, having discovered our true divine creative natures in our true sensual sensorial universe of seven senses, composing formless into form outside of the matrix in the true quantum field creation field universe. Before we get started, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, selecting the all setting so that when I upload videos, YouTube will let you know. I generally upload Tuesdays and Fridays, 2 p.m. Eastern. My name is Maria West, and I am your hostess of the highest, here to download, upload, inspire, and usher you into your bestest and brightest selves, your bestest and brightest light, and inviting you all to open your hearts wider and wider and wider and wider still. Hello, my love bugs, my honey bunnies, my boobalas. Mwah. Welcome to Love, Truth, and Beauty, episode 250. And I want to touch upon the tender subjects of isolation and rejection, or perceived rejection, in today's video. First, I want to remind you that there are two critical distinctions regarding your layer of the universe that you create, okay, which reflects your predominant thoughts and beliefs, which leads to feelings and emotions that lead to action or inaction, that is, freeze. Okay, your layer of the universe is either friendly and based on love, or scary and based on fear. Okay, now, as usual, currently there are many shit shows in the Matrix world, hijacking our attention. Pick one, anyone. And while it can be helpful for us to make critical decisions on what we intend to experience and populate in our respective layers of the universe by tending to some of these shit shows, allowing usage of your creative energies and attention by the matrix renders you unconscious, just like all the unwoke folks. Many of you criticize and get all morally superior, okay? So check yourselves, okay? In other words, while it may be useful to understand that all government is slavery so that you know not to create that or intend that in your layer of the universe, it is not helpful to focus on those shit shows. Okay, now in my last video on our sensitivities, isolation and rejection came up for many of you because we're all distracted by this and that. Many of us feel overrun by the lack of presence from our significant others, our family, our friends. We feel isolated and lonely. It's very, very commonplace, even in a full house. Even when we are in marriages and relationships, we still feel unheard, unmet, and utterly rejected, feeling like we don't matter, okay? Now, those of us who live alone and don't have family or friends or communities and are out there in the dating realm, that's right, searching for the one, we feel like we don't belong anywhere either. Where is she? Where is he? Where are my people? And rather than seeing the universe as friendly and loving, we see the universe as scary and rejecting. Okay? We often default to feeling barred from love, blocked or cursed from creating worthwhile loving relationships. We feel unheard and unmet and utterly rejected, just like our counterparts who are in relationships and communities, and we feel like none of our issues matter, okay? I offer up here 7 radical do-it-yourself practices and perspectives that we can all learn to engage in unhooking, okay, the default of rejection and isolation. Number 1, radical faith that your layer of the universe is actually loving and friendly. Now, regardless of your current circumstances, you hold the deep belief there's someone out there for you. There's a pure-hearted community awaiting your precious arrival. And that's why things just didn't work out previously with any of them. Any of our relationships or our communities that we were involved in fell apart. Okay? Number 2, radical spirituality. Life gives us what we need, not necessarily what we want. As often, what it is that we want is based on lack and limitation, faulty thinking, and low thought quality, negative emotions and feelings. I have found this to be absolutely true. Each life offering, my loves, is a powerful lesson that allows us to know and engage our worth and reveal our core values to better match up to and intend our beloveds and our layer of the universe. Number 3, radical self-love. You are not less worthy because someone doesn't have the skills and capacity to love you or to listen to you or to hold space for your sensitivities. Number 4, radical courage. To always choose and express your heart. The word courage is from the Latin word cor, which means heart. Don't wallow in why they can't hold space for you or didn't want to make plans for you or can't tell you that they love you. Savor instead on your own happiness. Savor your own uniqueness. The matrix world, family members, significant others, or anyone else do not define who and what you are. You define who you are. And we already know what we are, divine in the flesh, right? Number 5, radical alchemy. Now this is important. By always declaring advantage, even in a significant shit show, you can turn shit into gold, my friends. Life will show you a gift in a package you don't want, okay? You can powerfully choose and lean into pain, into what it is that you don't want, to use it as an opportunity for growth. It's a catalyst for transformation. That is, moving from victim to victorious. Number 6, radical action. When feelings of isolation and rejection show up in your mood and current reality, shake it out and lovingly move that emotion out of your body. All feelings are energy. Positive emotional energy vibrates at a higher frequency than negative energy. Negative emotions can invoke flight, fight, or freeze in the body. So move your body in loving and gentle ways. Never force it. Dance with that fear, dance with that rejection and loneliness, and move yourself into loving self-acceptance, peace, and courage, and re-emerge as a wiser, compassionate person. Okay. Number 7, radical living. Say yes to life. Know you are a grand creator here to move formless into form, to create your layer of the universe and populate it with all the details and qualities that make your heart, mind, body sing with your soul. Okay, my loves, that is my speech. I hope this quick video is helpful. Be kind to yourselves, my love. Decide that your layer of the universe is loving and friendly and always has your back. Please help me grow this channel by giving this video a thumbs up and leaving a comments box comment in the comments box below or in private. If you're shy, please share this video with your community, friends, family members, and on social media platforms you feel would benefit from this content. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, selecting the all setting so that YouTube will let you know when I upload next. And if you find value, enjoy, benefit, or at least entertained by my content and videos, won't you please consider supporting my work with a donation? My PayPal link is below, as is my coffee link, so that you can buy me the proverbial cup of coffee. I thank you all so much for hanging out with me, with your participation and your focused attention. I really do appreciate it. I cannot do this work without you, and I do this work especially for those of you who know that you are so much more than what the Matrix endeavors to define you to only be. So until next time, my dear hearts, always act from love, outside of the Matrix, from your center screen, composing a new reality. That's right. Let's quantum jump all our lifelines so that we can go higher and higher and higher. We can all be the love that we are. We can share our love. We can be love. We can share our creativity, create, make art, make music, make love. And you can all help me repopulate the true quantum field creation field universe. Here's to your love, truth, and beauty, my beautiful waking gods and goddesses. Mwah!